Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your Spanish skills with Rosetta Stone step by step clearly. To upgrade your Spanish skills with Rosetta Stone, start by accessing the Rosetta Stone website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Choose the Spanish language option from the list of available languages. Select the type of subscription that suits your needs, whether it's a monthly or annual plan. Once you're logged in, navigate to the learning platform. Begin with the placement test to assess your current level of Spanish proficiency. Based on test results, start your lessons at the appropriate level. Dedicate specific times each day or week for consistent practice. Engage with the interactive speaking exercises to improve pronunciation. Utilize the built-in speech recognition technology for real-time feedback. Explore the themed lessons, focusing on vocabulary you find most relevant. Practice listening skills with audio exercises that include native speaker dialogues. Take advantage of the mobile app to fit learning into your daily routine. Use the words section to build your vocabulary actively. Participate in live tutoring sessions for personalized guidance. Incorporate Rosetta Stone's immersive learning approach by thinking and speaking in Spanish. Review previous lessons regularly to reinforce what you've learned. Set measurable goals to keep track of your progress and maintain motivation. Join community forums or groups to connect with other learners for additional support. Celebrate small victories as you reach new milestones in your learning journey. Stay committed and make Spanish learning a fun and rewarding part of your daily life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.